Ryder! Big Truck Al calling Ryder. Over.
Copy, Al. What's up?
The train heading to the dam derailed. A real big storm is on its way. Rain could overstress that dam and make it crack wide open.
We're on our way. Big trouble calls for big trucks.
If the dam breaks, Adventure Bay could get washed away.
No way Adventure Bay floods on our watch. Sky, Marshall, Chase, and Zuma, we need you and your big trucks right away. No job's too big for these big truck pups.
Big Truck deploy!
Awesome job, Al. Now to make fresh concrete. Rubble, Marshall, get your trucks ready to rock. One mushy mix coming up. Marshall, spray concrete onto the leak. Then, lift those heavy blocks into the frame.
Now that's a patch any trucker would be proud of.
The repaired dam looks better than new. Thanks, Ryder and Big Truck Pups.
Whenever your dam gets a little leaky, just yelp for help. Check out full episodes of PAW Patrol on Nickelodeon.